We have called upon and have written a letter to President Kovind that we call upon him as the protector and the defender of the Constitution to ensure that my rights as a Catholic in India are not eroded. And that is one of the first points we want to make. The second point is we condemn as Catholic Union, as civil society, all this targeted violence, these lynchings in the name of the cow must stop. There should be no more lynching. That brings me to my third point. You are trying to appease Catholics and Protestants in Nagaland and Goa, saying we will allow you to eat beef. We don't eat beef every morning, evening and night. Beef is not a prescribed food in the Holy Bible. So you can't appease us by saying you can eat beef in Goa but not in Maharashtra. Coming to Goa, and here I speak only as the Catholic Union, because the Catholic Association of Goa and all of you know this situation more than us. But some issues are supra. They're Goan, but they're also national. Nationally, we must have minority commissions in every state. Good, bad, or indifferent is a secondary question. Goa does not have a minority commission. Why does it not have a minority commission? Mr. Parrikar must be told, and we are telling him, please set up a minority commission. You may not take my people, take somebody. We must have a public service commission. Why is there no transparency in appointments to various government departments? Why are they done through interviews?